Good morning, friends. Today I will show the Sahaj Pranayama-3, and for that we can sit on a chair. So after sitting here on the chair, we have to inhale with force with both our nostril, and while exhaling we will try to bring our chin and touch the chest, this portion. So inhale with force. Again. So this pranayama, it is good for problems such as influenza, and if we have cold and cough also it is good, and it is good for pneumonia problem also. So rest of the Sahaj pranayama I'll be showing in my coming videos. Thank you for watching this video.